Behind every high-performing service department is one key driver: technician efficiency. But most operations lose revenue every day to slow ramp-up time, inconsistent skill visibility, rework, and costly turnover. Mentor Mentee is a tech proficiency platform built for automotive service departments and heavy-duty diesel operations. It gives your team structured career pathways, verified competency tracking, and real-time skill visibility. So technicians move to full productivity faster, and leaders always know who can handle what. Technicians log completed repair competencies directly in the platform, building a verified record of what they know and what they're working toward. Mentors review and validate, so skills are confirmed, not assumed. Leaders get real-time visibility into team-wide skill depth, including mentee progression. So the right tech handles the right job, first-time fix rates improve, and build hours grow without adding headcount or bays. Mentor Mentee works alongside the tools your shop already runs: DMS, LMS, OEM training programs, and safety systems. So it fits into how your operation already works. And for dealer group leaders, one enterprise view tracks development, proficiency, and performance across every location, so you always know who's ready for more and where the gaps are. The impact is measurable. When technicians reach full productivity faster, your effective labor rate improves. A broader bench means your ATECs aren't stuck on basic work. Verified skill depth also reduces the rework and comebacks that drain your labor gross. And clear advancement pathways keep good techs on your team longer. In a 20-technician shop, just one additional build hour per tech per week is $150,000 in annual revenue. Faster ramp-up and holding on to one more technician adds another $100,000 in recovered labor gross. Greater shop capacity, stronger labor gross, improved effective labor rate, without adding headcount or bays. The gains offset the investment. The rest goes straight to profit. Developing your technicians is the most controllable variable in your shop's performance. We give you the system to do it right. Schedule your needs assessment and see what Mentor Mentee can unlock inside your operation.